Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss my topic that is the Panchayati Raj at the district level. The Jila Parishad, the Jila Panchayat is the agency of rural local self-government at the district level. The member of the Jila Parishad include all the heads of the Panchayat Samiti in the district, MP, MLA of the district, representatives of scheduled caste and tribe and women, and two persons of the experience in administration, public life, or the rural development. The collector of the district is a non-voting member. Thus, the membership of Jila Parishad is a fairly large, varying from 40 to 70. The Jila Parishad is primarily the supervisory and coordinating body. Its function and powers vary from state to state. In some states, Jila Parishads are vested with the administrative functions. In Gujarat, the district head officer and the district family planning and MCH officers are under control of the Jila Parishad.